Welcome back to our channel, and today we will discuss about census and sample surveys. So first of all, let's begin with what is census. Now census includes every element of population. Now you must be wondering what is every element of population. Means the size of population, literacy rate, density of population, sex ratio, child sex ratio, mortality, means the nature. तो सिर्फ पॉपुलेशन कितनी है ये नहीं, पॉपुलेशन की जो गुणवत्ता है उससे संबंधित सारे जो फैक्ट्स हैं उनको सेंसस अपने संबंध में लेता है. सो इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द मेथड ऑफ complete enumeration because this takes into cognizance every facet. So it is called the method of complete enumeration. Now it covers every and each individual of India. It is carried out once in 10 years. It is collected by the Registrar General. The data obtained is collected by the Registrar General of India. In this data, the demographic data is collected. It is carried out on house to house based inquiry. The employees of census department go to the house to household, each household of India. हर परिवार में जाते हैं and they collect information और वहाँ से information collect करते हैं. Regarding what? The demographic data which is collected regards the birth and death rate, literacy, employment, life expectancy, size and composition of population. That all these facets are covered, and these are then given to whom? This Registrar General of India, and then he publishes the census. So when was the last census published in India? The last census which was published in India was in 2011. So according to the last census held in 2011, the population of India was 1 to 1.085 crores, which was 17.7% more than the population in 2001, which was 102.70 crores. So you can just imagine the way Indian population is growing. And at the start of this decade, that is in 1901, this population was even low, that at the rate of 23.83. So you can see that in 110 years we have almost added 6 times the population which was at the start of the 20th century. This is a daunting task for us to stop population growth. इतनी तेजी से ग्रोथ जो हो रही है पॉपुलेशन पे वो हमारे रिसोर्सेज पे बहुत ज़्यादा दबाव डाल रही है, एंड वी आर फेसिंग एन acute problem. We have to curb this population growth. As of now, the total male population in India is 623.724 crores and female population is 526.469 crores, or to be precise 526469294. These are the total number of females. So, and the sex ratio is 940 females per 1000 male. So 940 female per 1000 male. This means for every 1000 male person, 940 females are present in India. This shows the preference for male child. This problem becomes more acute when we see an other data, that is the child sex ratio, which is calculated in 0 to 6 age group, is 914 per 1000 male, means 0 to 6 एज ग्रुप में जो चाइल्ड सेक्स रेशियो है उसमें प्रति हर 1000 जो शिशु है उसके मुकाबले सिर्फ 914 बालिकाएं हैं. ऑल्सो द पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी इज 382 per square kilometer and literacy rate is 74%, in which the male literacy rate is 82.10% and the female literacy rate is 65.46%. These are the some of the very important datas which you must remember. And also the most populous state of India is Uttar Pradesh, and it has roughly the 17.5% population of India resides in Uttar Pradesh. 20 करोड़ की पॉपुलेशन अकेले उत्तर प्रदेश की है. Now what is sample survey? Now the population or the universe, in this term when it is used in stats, it means the total items which are studied. The population is a group to which the results of study are intended to apply. Like if we go and study a village or a universe here means the area which we are studying, like a village where a desired population is being studied, that is our universe. So a population is always all the individuals who possess certain characteristics according to the purpose of the survey. जिस पर्पस से हम लोग सर्वे कर रहे हैं उस हिसाब की पॉपुलेशन एग्जिस्ट करती है कि नहीं करती है, यही पॉपुलेशन कहलाती है. दिस पॉपुलेशन इज अ ग्रुप टू विच द रिजल्ट्स ऑफ द सर्वे आर इंटेंडेड टू सप्लाई, क्योंकि यही जो है हम लोगों को डिजायर्ड रिजल्ट देती है. एंड वंस दिस पॉपुलेशन इज आइडेंटिफाइड, जब हम लोग इस पॉपुलेशन को पहचान लेते हैं कि हम लोग यही पॉपुलेशन डिजायर्ड रिजल्ट देगी, देन दिस पॉपुलेशन इज कॉल्ड representative sample, and this is called representative sample. This is why, क्योंकि मान लीजिए एक आप टाउन में गए तो सभी टाउन के सभी रेजिडेंट्स को आप सबकी राय लेना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है, तो you have to take a sample. So now what is a sample? A sample refers to a group or a section of population from which information is to be obtained. It is a percentage of the total number of population. Now a good sample is generally smaller than the whole population, and it is reasonably informs and very accurately informs about in a much lower cost and in a shorter time period. तो ये जो good sample है ये आराम से रीजनेबल तरीके से और एक्यूरेट तरीके से कम पैसे में और कम टाइम में हमें जो डेटा चाहिए उस डेटा को उपलब्ध करा देता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ वी वांट टू स्टडी द इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन ऑफ अ विलेज, इन दैट विलेज ऑफ एग्रीकल्चरल लेबर्स इन अ डिस्ट्रिक्ट, सपोज Lucknow district of Uttar Pradesh state. Now, here we will select a representative sample of few individuals from the region and find out their income. The average income of the selected group of individual will be used as an estimate of average income of the individuals of the entire region. And this example is representing the total method which is used. So now the population is all the agricultural laborers of the district Lucknow of the state Uttar Pradesh. Here X district means here we are taking Lucknow, and Y state means we are taking UP. What will be our sample? We are taking 10% of the total agricultural population of Lucknow district of Uttar Pradesh. So this is a representative sample survey. So most of the surveys are sample surveys. A sample can provide reasonably reliable and accurate information at a lower cost and a shorter time. As samples are smaller than population, more detailed information can be collected by intensive inquiries. इसमें और भी कुछ फ़ायदे हैं, क्योंकि इसमें चूँकि कम लोग जो हैं एक काम को करने में लगते हैं, तो इसमें हम लोग कई जो डेटा हैं उनको कुछ कुछ लोगों को डिप्लॉय करके कर सकते हैं. सो दिस वॉज ऑल अबाउट सैम्पलिंग. इन द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड we will learn about the types of sampling, which will make the distinction between the type of samplings very, very clear to you. Thank you.